Hi everyone, thank you for your support and welcome back. It is not too late to learn. In this video, I am going to explain you on how to use the morphing under the transition tab. Basically, I want to display my products or services using a showcase on rotational basis. Okay, let me open my PowerPoint presentation where I have already inserted three logos here. To understand better, Aditya Consulting Services is my company's name, and I have created different logos for my different services. Okay, rather the business units. Okay, the very first one what you are looking at is the trophy logo, and the second one is the Dronacharya with arrow logo, and the third one is arrow with people around. That is the third logo. Now the intention is to make these three logos to rotate in a showcase and prominently display as a product or service to the audience. Let me take you through the process. In my earlier video, we have discussed about the GIF, how to convert the slides into GIF, GIF. Similarly, now we have to see how many frames which we would like to take it from this. First image, second image, and then third image. So we need to create three more slides, or we have to duplicate the first slide into three more. Okay, let me do that. Control C, Control C, and then Control V, and then Control V, and then Control V. Now I have got four slides here. Okay, the first slide looks pretty okay for me because this is how the showcase will look like as soon as I turn it on. Okay, I want to rotate it from the second slide onwards. Okay, what do we do? Go to the second slide. Here basically I want this round logo to move into the right side. Okay, to move to the right side, and then this arrow with the people logo need to move to the center, and then this Dronacharya picture logo need to come to the left side. Let us see how to do it. First, click on this one and bring it to front. Bring it and place it on top of the center image, and then you can resize it. Okay, you can resize it. Just making this. Okay, pretty good. Okay, now click on the first image and send to back, and then move it towards the right side. Okay, now click on the image which is hiding, and slowly bring it out, and then resize it. These are all the guidelines which you can use in order to see whether your images are aligning properly. Yes, now it has come perfectly all right. Okay, now let me go to the third slide wherein I would like to move this one to the center stage. So what I need to do is I have to click on this and then bring it to front. Make this here. Perfectly all right. Okay, and then bring it back. You can bring it back. The right image, please bring it back and position it onto the left. Right. Now choose the image which is hiding here. Okay, in the back, and bring it to the right. Okay, then resize this according to the requirement, according to the alignment. Please resize this. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Now, before I get into the morphing, I need to do a small change here, that I have to make this to go back. That's all. Now I will select second, third, and then fourth. Now I will give the morphing. Go to transition here and then click on the morph option. As soon as you click the morph option, you will see that there are star marks below the slide numbers here. Carefully look into this, below the slide numbers here. Right? Let us see how it works now. Go to the first slide and go to the slideshow. Okay, this is the normal one which we are seeing. Let's see how it is getting rotated now. Very good, perfectly all right, perfectly all right. And then let us see the third slide. That's good, that's good. And let us see the fourth slide, which is again the slide number 1, which has come back. Okay, right. So if you have more number of images, you have to redo the same kind of exercise, but you have to be more careful when you are sending it back or bringing it to the front, right? Hope you will find this quite interesting and also engaging your audience. Okay, please try and let me know how did you feel about it. Looking forward to see you in another video with different features. Before signing off, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you have not already subscribed. Thank you once again and bye bye.